Good day everybody, we got a beautiful question. Foremost, let me draw the square. Okay, we got the square there. Let me name it as A, B, C, D. Then we are having a line drawn from A we need to be careful with this line, so much so that it doesn't look like a diagonal. Okay, so from A we got a hit, and I call it as, say, some O, and from O there is a hit to B. Okay, now this is given to be as 3 units, this is given to be as 2 units, this is given to be as 1 unit. So with that information, we are expected to find the area of the square. We need this. Okay, so what I wish to do is, whenever you're given a question like this, you perform a reflection. Perform a reflection of triangle. I will say it as ADO over AB. So you're reflecting this part. Let me shade that part and show to you. This is the reflection that you're looking for. In fact, you will be reflecting this triangle. Okay, so when you do that, what happens? AD will be in line with AB, and OA will fall somewhere over here, right? So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2 units, and OA, let me name it as O dash. OA as O dash A as its reflection. So this would mean this entire angle is 90. Right, now this is 2 units, this is 2 units. So if I were to draw a line like this, this is isosceles, so this angle will be same as this angle. This is 90, so this should be 45 and this should be 45. Now since OA O dash is a right angle triangle, this implies by Pythagoras we get, so what do we get? O dash dash a squared plus o a squared is equal to o dash o squared. This is 2 squared, this is 2 squared is equal to o dash squared. So o dash squared is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. So therefore o dash o is root of 8. Root of 8 can be written as 4 times 2, which is nothing but 2 times root of 2. So therefore o dash o is 2 into root 2. That's a good value. So this is 2 into root 2. Okay. Now consider o dash b. This is going to be 90 degree. This is 90 degrees. I take this as sum alpha. I know this is 1 unit and this entire stretch is 3 units. So find out sine alpha. Sine alpha is opposite side by hypotenuse. My opposite side is 1 unit. My hypotenuse is going to be 3 units. And take cos alpha. Cos alpha is the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is 2 into root 2, hypotenuse is 3. So you might be wondering why I need to obtain sine alpha cos alpha. You will know that within a minute. Now I need, what do I need? We need AB. Why do I need AB? This is a square. If I get AB, story done. So for that we will use cosine rule. We will use cosine rule. So what is this? AB squared is equal to square of this side plus square of this side minus 2 times 2 into 3 into cos of, I taking this as alpha, this is 45. So cos of 45 plus alpha. So evaluate this. This will give us AB. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now let me have the favorite black into progress. So this is equal to 4 positive 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Cos of alpha plus 45. What is that? Now I'm going to use cos of a plus b formula, which is cos a cos b negative sin a sin b. So cos of alpha plus 45 is equal to cos alpha cos 45 minus sin alpha sin 45. Cos 45 is 1 over root 2. So this is 1 over root 2 times cos alpha and negative sin alpha 45 is 1 over root 2 times sin alpha. But sin alpha is 1 over 3. Place that. So 1 over this is going to be 2 times root 2 times root 2 divided by 3. That's because of presence of cos alpha. Negative 1 over root 2. Sin alpha is 1 over 3. So 2 root 2, I mean root 2 gets cancelled, giving me 2 over 3 negative 3 times root 2. Now this is my cos of alpha plus 45. Now you can simplify this by taking 3 out, 1 over 3 out. So this is going to be 2 negative 1 over root 2. You can still simplify this by taking root 2 as LCM. This will be 2 times root 2 negative 1 times 1 over 3. That's going to be 3 here. So this is cos of alpha plus 45 degrees. Now take this and substitute it here. If I were to take this as sum 2, so what happens? Therefore 2 becomes AB squared is equal to 4 plus 9, 13 negative 12 times cos of alpha plus 45. Substitute this value. 2 times root 2 negative 1 divided by 3 times root 2. 3 goes here 4 times. So 13, 4 times 2, 8 into root 2. Now you have a root 2 there. So I divide by root 2. And then negative positive. 4 into 1 is 4 divided by root 2. Now this and this gets cancelled. So 13 negative 8 will give me 5 positive 13 negative 8. Okay, that's fair enough. Positive 4 times root 2, which is nothing but You take the LCM, you get 5 into root 2 positive 4 divided by root 2. Right? Now this is AB squared. Right? So this is going to be AB. And we have to extract the value. But I don't have to take the square root. Why I don't have to take the square root? Because what is the area of the square? Area of square is what? Side into side. So if AB is a side, right, its square is going to give me the area. So this would mean the value that we got is going to be the area of the square. So 5 into root 2 positive 4 divided by root 2 square units. That is going to be the required area. So I hope you like this problem. It's a very interesting question. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again.